Hello everyone and welcome back to Stream1 Enterprise Solutions. We are Take Data Cloud Operations team and today we will show you how to set a budget alert for your customers. Budget is a cost management feature of the platform that allows resellers to set and track cloud spend, providing rule-based alerts when predetermined thresholds are reached or exceeded. The idea behind this feature is to allow you to help your customers to track their cloud spend and align with their budget by managing cost overruns in a proactive way. To create a budget, you need to go to Settings and then Budget, which is the last item at the bottom of the list. Here you will see a list of all the different budgets, and if you want to create a new one, you need to click on Add. The budget screen is divided into three sections: Budget Details, Customer Cost Settings, and finally Notifications. In the first section, you will be able to choose a name for the budget. The currency, the amount, if it's going to be based on your cost as a reseller or on your customer cost, and also the period of time you want the budget to measure against. Moving on the next section, we find the cost settings. By default, the budget will apply to all providers, which is something very convenient, as it could take into account multiple cloud providers. For example, it could measure your customer Azure consumption plus their Amazon consumption in the same budget. In parallel, you can narrow the selection down to a specific customer. And by selecting the cloud provider, you could even narrow it down to any specific cloud account for that customer. You could also make a selection of some customers, but in that case, the platform will use all of their cloud accounts, not allowing you to select specific ones. And in the final section, after setting what you want to be notified of, you can program any number of notifications or alerts, expressing the thresholds as percentage of the total amount of your budget. The last thing you need to set up are the recipients of these alerts. You may select any of the existing user emails in your account. And even set up notification emails for your customers as long as you have entered the email addresses as users of their customer profiles. There is another logical limitation. You will only be able to notify a customer if you select their consumption only. If the budget alert is taking into account more than one customer, this last part will gray out. Finally, click on Save, and your budget will become visible in the budget list, showing some key values and progress indicator. If you need further information about this or other feature of the SES, we recommend you to visit our knowledge base following the link in the description below. Thanks once again for your attention and stay tuned for upcoming videos.